How to fix Pubg mic and speaker not working. So if you want to fix the Pubg mic and speaker not working, then here's the fix. The first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you check your internet connection, you just need to simply open up your Play Store and then search for the Pubg. And once you search, if you install this application and if you're using it, then you just need to simply go and check for any updates. So if you have any updates under your Pubg, then go and update your application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the second thing you need to do is you just need to open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, you need to scroll down, tap on apps, and here you just need to simply go and search for Pubg. Once you search for Pubg, simply tap and open up the Pubg application on your settings. But in my case, I'll be choosing an example of camera. So if this is Pubg, then you can simply tap and open it, and then you need to go with the permissions option. Once you go with the permissions, here you will have the microphone option, right? So if you've tapped on don't allow, or if you have turned off your microphone option, then you just need to simply go and allow while using the app, or ask every time, or you just need to simply choose one or two options, the first or second option, but don't tap on don't allow. And if you have the toggle on and off option, then you just need to simply toggle on your microphone. And once you toggle it on, your mic problem will be fixed on your Pubg. So that's how you can fix Pubg mic and speaker not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.